Hello, I'm Wayne Carroll, here to explain how you can connect your Bluetooth hearing aids to your computer as the sound output, but use a different device for the sound input. I am using Phonak hearing aids, and I use the setup that I will show you all the time. I'm a patent attorney and spend a lot of time in meetings over the internet on Zoom, Google Meet, and WebEx. I also make phone calls through my computer with this method. One quick way to change the sound settings is to go down to the bottom right of your screen and click on the sound icon. Now it'll show you sound, a few other things. You want to come over here to this icon where you can select a sound output. Now at this point, you need to already have your hearing aids, your Bluetooth hearing aids connected to your computer, paired, and it should show up and it should show that's what you're using. Now this only shows us the output, so we're going to click on More Volume Settings. And then it shows us the settings here with output, and if you scroll down, it will show you the input that you can choose, and it can be different than the hearing aid headset. So that's a simple way. And then I'm going to show you one more way. If you come down to the Windows icon, go to the settings. In this case, you need to go to Bluetooth and Devices. Click on Devices. And you've got to scroll down here all the way down to Related Settings and click on Sound. Now we're right back where we were before with the output, and you can scroll down to the input and make the changes. Thank you. I thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful.